Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your device and map packages. Download the offline region in your map app now, pick the smallest area that covers your route, then tap Download. Once done, confirm the files are visible in offline maps and grant location permission to the app. Make sure background data is allowed so the app can cache tiles. You need battery headroom, charge to at least 50%, and enable low-power GPS mode if available to conserve energy on long trips. Now configure navigation so offline guidance works reliably. Select the routing profile that matches your travel mode, because offline algorithms differ for walking versus driving. Next, preload extra tiles. Pan around your route and nearby detours to force caching. This prevents blank maps if you go off course. Then enable compass and sensor fusion for better heading accuracy, and turn on track recording or GPX export so you have a breadcrumb trail. Finally, verify offline voice prompts are downloaded. If you need turn-by-turn, begin navigation and watch the blue route line. You should see your position update as you move. If the GPS drifts or stalls, stop briefly, toggle location off/on, or switch to high accuracy mode to require satellites. Once arrived, export or save the route and clear large caches to free space. If the app fails, restart the device and use the exported GPX in an alternate offline app. One key troubleshooting tip: if maps appear blank, confirm the downloaded region size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.